We will start by chaining 30. 1, 2. Now let's make a double crochet into the 9th stitch. So into the 9th stitch we will make a double crochet like this. So pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. Now chain 2, 1, 2, and again make a double crochet into the 3rd stitch. So skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and into the 3rd one. Now again chain 2, 1, 2, and make a double crochet into the 3rd stitch. So basically we are making fillet pattern. We are making squares, and we will continue like that till the end of the round. So chain 2 and double crochet into the 3rd stitch. You will start the next row by chaining 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you will turn the work to the other side, and you will make a double crochet into the 2nd double crochet of the previous round. Okay, this is the first one, 2nd one. So you will make a double crochet into that stitch. Now you will continue like this. So chain 2 and double crochet into the next stitch, and again chain 2, double crochet till the end of the round. Then you will again chain 5, turn the work, and continue another row like that. You will do that until you will have 8 rows. When you will be at the end of the round, you will make a double crochet into the 3rd stitch. So now we finished the squares, and we have 8 rows of 8 columns. So we have a square. Now we will chain 2, 1, 2, and we will do 2 single crochet into the first 3 squares. 1, 2, 1, 2. That means that we are doing it into the space. 1, 2, and then we are going to make 1 single crochet into this 4th double crochet. Now we are going to chain 10. We are going to skip 1 double crochet, and into the next double crochet we will make single crochet. Like this. Now we are going to make 2 single crochet into this same space, into this same square. 1, 2, and make another 2 into the another square, and into these corners. So into each corner we will make 5 single crochet. The next side will be the same. So into another square we will make 2 single crochets, then another 2 single crochets into another one, so we are on the 3rd one. Now we will make another single crochet into the double crochet, into the next double crochet, and we are going to chain 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and skip 1 double crochet and make single crochet into the next double crochet. So like this. Then again into the same square make 2 single crochets, then 2 into another one, and 5 single crochets into the corner. Continue like this on each side. When you are on the last square, you will make 2 single crochets into that square, 1, 2, and you will make slip stitch into the second chain. So make a slip stitch. Now we are going to make 4 triple treble crochets. So yarn over the hook 4 times, and into this space we will make 4 triple treble crochets. Now you will chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you will repeat that. That means you will make another group of 4 triple treble crochets 4 more times. So you will have 5 in total, with chaining 5 in between them. Now we are going to make a single crochet into the third stitch of that corner square. Like this, and we will make another group of 5 into this second space and do the same thing in this space and in this space. So straight away 1, 2, 3, 4 and make a triple treble crochet 4 times. Now we will make slip stitch into this very first stitch from which we began the first triple treble crochet. Now we are going to chain 2, 1, 2, and we will make single crochet into this third triple treble crochet. So first, second, third. Now we are going to make 5 double crochet into this space. 1, chain 1, and again 5 double crochet. Then we will make chain 1 into the third triple treble crochet, and again 5 double crochet, chain 1, 5 double crochet, and 1 single crochet into the third triple treble crochet. So you will continue like that through all of these. When you finished the last space, you will make 1 single crochet into the third triple treble crochet as previously, and then you will make 1 single crochet into the third triple treble crochet of the first group of next side. again just start doing double crochets and continue the pattern till the end. So at the end we will again make one single crochet into the third triple treble crochet, and we are going to make a slip stitch into this first stitch, which was in the third triple treble crochet of the beginning, so this one. The next one is double crochet. Like this. And the square looks like this. So now only chain 1, cut the yarn, pull the yarn, and you finished the first square. So this is how we are going to connect the squares together. So you can see that we are doing it on 4 places. So now I will show you how I'm doing it. I did 2 sections just normally, and I'm on the third one. So now after making 5 double crochets instead of chain 1, you will stick the hook into the chain 1 space of another square, and you will grab the yarn and pull through that space, and then grab the yarn and pull through 2 loops, and you just connected that one part. Then you will continue as normal. So again, instead of chain 1, you will stick the hook into another chain 1 space, grab the yarn, pull through that space, and grab the yarn, pull through 2 loops, and you will continue as normal. You will repeat this just 2 more times on this part and on this part. And when you will do another row, you will connect it also from the sides. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like.